Hello students, yes, I am back with yet another informative video for you guys. Alright, so in this particular video, I will be giving you the information of detailed AE syllabus, JE syllabus, technical as well as general studies for this PWD, as well as I will be explaining you how it is different from KPSC syllabus. So what are the common topics and what are the different topics with respect to KPSC? Because see guys, when you prepare for this PWDAE or JE syllabus, that means you are half prepared for KPSC syllabus also. So do not have the thought in your mind that this syllabus is entirely different, ma'am. So for KPSC, like coming RDPR or whichever other notifications are there, again I have to study new. Nothing like that. You guys are civil engineers, so you should be knowing the common between the subjects. So all of them I will be clearly explaining in detail. So even if you prepare for this JE syllabus or AE, I told you in the beginning also, like 50% of KPSC you will be covering. So if you prepare for this PWD syllabus, so there is no harm. So hedrak hobadri, like now odiyad waste agtate nothing like that. That will be definitely helping you for your other competitive exams. And after explaining the syllabus in detail, I will be announcing one offer what we are giving for the students who are enrolling for the classes now. So wait till the end of this video. Now I will be explaining you the syllabus in detail. Yes, students. So by now you should be knowing that there will be two papers in any of the competitive exams in Karnataka. So one will be general studies and another one will be technical. So whatever the general studies I am discussing now, this remains same for AE as well as JE. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 10 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 10 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ ರೀಸನಿಂಗು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 1 ಇಯರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದು ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ 1 or 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. So what is the meaning of this general science? It includes physics, chemistry, biology, all 3 subjects. Okay, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. And this is Indian history. So Indian history ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ancient history, medieval history, modern history. ಸೊ ಮೂರತ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ಬಟ್ ಮೆಡಿವಲ್ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಜಾಗ್ರಫಿ. ಸೊ ರಿವರ್ಸು, ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಸು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. ಸೊ ಸೋಷಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪಾಲಿಟಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. ಜನರಲ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಸೊ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ತಲೆ ಓಡಿಸುವಂಥ ಸಮ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ syllabus holds good same for technical as well as general studies, and this paper has equal weightage as that of the technical. Remember that. So ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲು 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದನ್ನು 200 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲು 200 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ PDF ತೋರ್ಸಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ PWD ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ PWD ಒಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 100 ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದೇ WRD ಒಳಗದು ಏನು ಇಡ್ತಾರೋ 200 ಇಡ್ತಾರೋ. So here it is for 1 mark, there they will ask for 2 mark per question. That's it. So ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದು. Now let's talk about AE technical. So first ಇರೋದು roads and bridges. So first roads ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ, from the very first topic of your subject, that is importance of highway development with respect to any other modes of transportation. ಅದು ನೀವೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, highway economics, finance, everything ಆ first chapter. ಅದು ಮುಗಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸರ್ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲಂತೂ 100% ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸರ್ವೆ, ಆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಐತಿದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೈವೇ ಡಿಸೈನ್. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇನ ಹೈವೇ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೈವೇ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೇಂಬರ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೈಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೈತಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ದ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ, ಚಾನಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜು, ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. before preparing for any of the competitive exams. So ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ geometric design ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ actually. All this comes in traffic engineering, grade separator, rotary intersection, other etc. ಅದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು. So that means they can ask even the questions from some part of traffic surveys also, like speed survey, volume survey. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೂ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅದಾವು. And what are the various types of the intersections, why we go for this particular type of the intersection, what is PCU, everything they will be asking in this. Okay, speed study ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ. Next comes your highway construction. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗ tests on the various materials ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, as well as the what are the different methods of the highway construction, like waterborne macadam, concrete pavement, flexible pavement, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ IRC ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೈವೇ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, like what are the different reasons for the failures of this particular type of the payment, how to maintain this, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಒಳಗ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಜಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ even we are providing hydrology video lectures in this PWDAE package. All right. So next, this is your bridge engineering. So all this like basic design and all they will be asking. So highway bridges, railway bridges and all. So I only have taught this subject in our PWD portal. Okay. So like these are the various types of the bridges. So idhar melanu questions keltaro. So as in this PWD, if you can see, the syllabus is very less. So that's the reason weightage on all the subjects are more. Okay. So even you can check, like I have done PWD paper analysis earlier. If you want, I will do again. So again you will be getting very clear idea. But on bari 7 subjects irudintra, all subjects have good number of weightage. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್, ಜಿಯೋಟೆಕ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ CTM, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. You might have studied all this like quantitative methods in surveying, in building construction atanda, like all your networks, CPM part adanella kaltivo. But all these other topics ಏನದಲ್ಲ, so you non ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So all this again I have only taught this particular subject. I have explained very much stepwise clearly. So if you see the syllabus, you can see the copy paste of this highway engineering. Don't bother much, the syllabus remains the same. Next comes your advanced structures. If you analyze the syllabus very clearly, so you can find here as strength of materials as well as structural analysis. So two subjects are combined in this. So students nan call ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ma'am I want only one subject for the class, like I want only advanced structure. So first you have to understand advanced structure includes strength of materials as well as structural analysis. All right. So next comes your public health engineering, which is your environmental engineering. Here is water supply as well as wastewater engineering. So water supply again right from the beginning, like what is the importance of water, so what are the various requirements, allowances, various types of the demand and what is the quantity, everything, and various sources of water. And here you can see one intake structure, quality parameters of the water, so various tests and all. So treatment of water, pumping and distribution system, everything is clearly mentioned. And if you see here again, pipe appurtenances, manholes, repairs, leakage, everything. Okay, so complete in the water supply ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಾರು. And here is your wastewater engineering. So here also collection of the waste. You can see here house drainage and all. Then design of sewers, quality parameters of the sewage, that is various tests, BOD, COD and all. Sewage treatment. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಒಂದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಾರು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿವೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದು, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಓದೋದೈತಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿವೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ physical, chemical, biological characteristics of the sewage, all the various tests, standard values, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಕೈತಿ. And here the additional topic in this here is this one, elements of public health engineering and town planning. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ಲಂಬಿಂಗ್, ಫುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೇಷನ್, ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್, markets, slaughterhouse, cemeteries, everything. So again I have only taught this subject. Each and every topic whatever is being mentioned in the syllabus, I have covered 100%. Okay, no worries in that. So this is the syllabus for AE. Now let's see the syllabus for JE. So this is JE technical syllabus. The very first chapter is building materials and construction. So all the various types of building materials are there: stone, timber, brick, clay products, ferrous metals and all. Okay, so all of them are there. Again, I have only taught this subject, and surveying is there. If you see, so again, right from chain surveying to all the advanced method of surveying, everything is there. So the only difference between the question paper is between AE and JE is, in JE you can expect less numericals, but in AE you can expect more numericals. And in previous PWD exam also, more than 40% of the questions appeared from numericals only, and some of the questions were actually really difficult also. Okay, so next is your strength of materials. Next comes your construction technology, that is the continuation of building materials. So soil foundation, all this is the part of geotechnical engineering. And here stone masonry, brick masonry, dampness, plastering and all, and concrete technology. So all this is there. So in our video lectures, I have taught all these under one heading only, like building materials, construction technology, concrete technology, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. Next is your transportation engineering, which is common for AE and JE, but here if you see, tunnel engineering they have added. So I have taught this subject, tunnel engineering. Next is your design of steel structures. So till here it is like design of steel, and next is your masonry structures in the sense like RCC. So this is also there. And estimation and costing I have only taught completely, and construction management. So this is the part of AE and JE common. So now how it is different from the KPSC syllabus? See, it is not that different. Only some of the subjects if you see, like fluid mechanics, ports and harbors, airport engineering, railway engineering, irrigation engineering. So E type ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ additional subjects adavu which are not in AE and JE both. So guys, what you have to do is, like, if you prepare for this AE or JE, as I informed, at least 50% of your KPSC syllabus will get covered. So when any new notification happens, like RDPR or whichever it is, I'm not 100% sure. So once the notification happens, that time whatever the remaining subjects are there, right? So you have to study those subjects. So ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ KPSC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು KPSC ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಸು, ಏನಿದು PWD? ಏನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. this PWD syllabus is part of KPSC syllabus only. It is not the entire KPSC syllabus. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು AE ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ JE ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರು. So when any news or notification happens, so that time all those subjects, which are those: fluid mechanics, open channel flow, irrigation engineering, ports and harbors, and airport engineering, ಆಮೇಲೆ railway engineering. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಿಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AE ಒಳಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಟೆಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಓದಬೇಕು. Yes guys, hope you have understood clearly each and every topic whatever I have explained in the syllabus. Alright, so what the students usually do, or what they have done in previous year also, they googled the topics, okay, and whatever the information they used to get in the Google, so they have just prepared for that. So it's not the right way of the preparation for any competitive exam. So you should know in-depth concept of that particular topic, then only you will be able to answer the questions which can be expected to come from those individual topics. So now coming to the announcement, what I will be offering for the students who will be joining for any of the courses in our SANPoint. See, we provide the courses for PWDAE, PWDJE, General Studies, KPSC RDPR, GATE exam, PGCET. So for all the various exams with respect to civil engineering, we are providing these courses. And whatever the offer I am going to announce, it holds good for all the courses which we are offering for the students. So what is that? Yes, it is a refer to a friend. Okay, so currently what usually students are asking me is, ma'am, provide me the discount. See, already I am providing at a very reasonable pricing. You can just understand. Okay, so whatever the PDF materials you are getting, test series you are getting, quality video lectures you are getting, so that you will not get with this pricing first of all. But still, yes, I understand it is the mindset of the students ki you go for a discount. So instead of that, what we have come up with the plan is you can refer to a friend. Okay, so when your friends join referring your name, then we will give you 5% discount. So if you have already joined the course, so whatever the amount, like whatever that 5% will be with respect to that package, we will be paying you that much. So I think this is the better way rather than giving the discounts. Okay, because students ask me, ma'am, we are 5 students, so we want to join. So tell me what is the discount you are going to offer to us, ma'am. So I find it very difficult because the prices of all the packages are different. And some students want to pay in installments. Yes, installment facility is also available. So I find it difficult to answer each and every student. So that is the reason you can refer this course to your friend and you can earn by this money also. So that is one way like you can save the money. So just check among your friends if anyone among them are interested to join the courses. So you can ask them to join the course and you will be getting the money. Whichever I have said, 5% of the course what they are joining. And one more thing what I want to tell is SANPoint can definitely change your life if you are a serious student, because we are providing each and everything. Very quality exam oriented teaching we are providing, wherein all that subjects are taught right from the basics. Okay, and even we have solved a lot of numericals of various competitive exams and concepts. Each and everything you will clearly understand. So that is the reason we are receiving very good feedbacks from the students, where they are really excited to share their feelings actually after joining the courses. So definitely you will also feel the same thing once you join the course. So I suggest you guys to invest your time and money, not to spend. So there is a lot of difference between invest and spend. So this invest will give you the positive meaning for your life. And what usually you guys do is like whatever the information we share in the YouTube, so I see to it that every time you get the new information from that particular video. So I suggest ki this is the tip what I am trying to give for the students. So instead of skipping the videos, you can just increase the speed of the video and watch. So watch it at 1.5x, 1.75x, so that you should not miss out anything, because we don't know when I am giving the information. I don't know when I can give you the important tip and how that important tip will be helpful for you in any walk of your life. So just increase the speed of the video and you can watch it. So the same thing is happening for video lectures also, which the students are joining. See, if you guys just refer PDFs, see, even we provide the notes and all. So there is no harm in preparing for the PDFs. But what thing you will miss? The thing is what we explain, what tips we give in between the video lectures. Because we will give you the hints how you can solve the numericals, where like calculator is not allowed, how you can remember this concept, how you can remember this formula, and what are the points or the areas where most of the students commit mistake. So ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ videos ಒಳಗೆ. So all those things you will be missing out in the videos. See, same thing happens like if you want to watch a movie and you will say like, no, I don't want to watch, but your friend will watch the movie and he will come and tell you, no, it is a really good movie, you go and watch. So then what you will do, you will go and watch and you will be very happy. Nodappa nee ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಚಲೋ ಆತು, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. So same thing, but this joining the course is not that of watching the movie, because here competition is involved and students don't share with their friends when they have joined the course, here or anywhere. So this I come across day-to-day activities, because when the student call me saying that ma'am, I am from this XYZ college, and I'll tell, okay, this your friend have joined the course, then he will say, oh, I didn't knew it, ma'am. So this is competition. You will miss out the explanation. That is what I am trying to say, which you will not get in any handwritten notes or in any PDFs. Because see, getting the notes, even books are also available. Anyone can sit and study, but the strategy, the tips, the information, the right orientation, whatever we give when we are explaining, that we cannot portray each and everything in the notes. And one more thing, whatever the fees you are paying for these courses, so if you calculate, it will not be even 1/4 of your first month salary, either your AE or JE. See, I am saying less than 1/4 of your first month salary. Now one full month du helilla. So ಅಷ್ಟರೇ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because the competition is too high. So lot of students are studying very seriously for all the exams. I am not just talking about PWD, whether it is administrative, whether it is IES, whether it is GATE, whatever it is. Serious students are serious, so they will not bother whether their friends will say, their seniors will say, whether whatever is available. So ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮದು ಲೈಫ್ದು ಗೋಲು ವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. So they will stick to that goal no matter what. So same way I want to suggest you guys is, you first understand what your vision is, what your goal is, then try finding a proper path to reach that goal. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಬರತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. I understand the way I enjoy the feeling of being the owner of SANPoint. So same way you will enjoy that day feeling. Na AE adag hengirati, na JE adag hengirati. But you never work on that particular path to reach that goal, to reach that vision. So that's why I'm saying the journey, whatever you are traveling, that journey should be very, very systematic. Then only you can reach to your goal. So don't worry, we are there for you, as I always keep informing. So you can start your journey by clicking the link in the description, and I wish you all the best to achieve your dream, to reach your vision as early as possible. So this is possible only if you work really hard, as well as smart way of preparation, rather than getting distracted with the unwanted things. So try avoiding the distraction with whatever the discussion happens against your vision. Just think of your vision and keep following that. So see you guys in the next video with yet another important information.